Hello, my name is Fred. I'm going to be using the Screenomatic for my Homework 1 presentation. In Homework 1, we are asked to describe how to use MATLAB, so I'm going to be walking you through how to use some basic principles of MATLAB to help with some basic math. For just starting out, we can do basic addition. 5 plus 3, and then it will show you the answer, 8. Or you can do it to declare a variable as the answer. So x would be equal to 5 plus 3. Then we have over here in the workspace, we can see that x is assigned the value 8. This is very useful, and especially when you're considering matrices such as this, where you have a series of numbers in the row, where you have 5 columns, and then you have something called y that's equal in length, 6 to 10, let's say, and then we have 2 over here. We have these 2 matrix definitions, and then if we wanted to manipulate it with even more data, if we wanted something a little more complicated, we could go and just assign it to 0, come over here, double click, and it gives us all of this room to manipulate data, to add possibly Excel files or anything of that nature. Now, once you've got a lot of work on here, you may want to start with a fresh page. So a way to do that is CLC will clear the command window, and then clear all will get rid of all of the variables in the workspace. There, you see they disappeared. Now, some more advanced functions in MATLAB, or features of MATLAB, I should say, are called scripts. You can come over here to start new scripts or functions or anything like that. I have a few examples from some projects I've been working on for other classes that will help demonstrate a few things. For this one, you can see that it's relatively simple to get some complicated equations into some manageable short statements. This statement is a combination of these statements previous, where a lot of calculation is taken in place, and then this for loop will iterate through this to give the desired outcome. This is a forecasting technique called Holt. And then you can do graphs on the data once you have procured some data. This is an ODBC connection between a file I have in Postgres, and it contains a bunch of data with a bunch of analysis already done, and then, as you can see here, it just fetches the file from that and puts it into MATLAB through this code, but that's pretty advanced. What I wanted to show you was this part down here. This hist function is the histogram of the data. I assigned the data to the variable a in this, and then you will see a histogram. Now, to run the script, all you have to do is come up here and click Run. Now, see, it made the connection. I have all this data down here in the command window, lots of data. Then over here, A is assigned all of these data points from the Postgres data, and then it does an analysis, and we get this fancy histogram, which allows us to make a more accurate analysis of the data. Those are some basic uses of MATLAB. I hope you found it interesting.